Akwen Tongyang. Dinka reading. Gak. Gak mean crowd. This bird, crowd. Let us read. Gak edin ye parnyal kuna chitak kakanyuch pi kugak e ijro. Gaŋarɔɔl ku Gakcol. Gaŋarɔɔl anong chit na ye yet ku yeyi ku kinchol na yenum ku yegup. Gaŋarɔɔl amandeng ne ke ye yen ben by root ku jol yamai. Yen anyar binyuj ne katnum ne ke ye yen kwal ne ke chitow ne yenum. Gakcol e to by ne root tok a good chirwel e cham ne rap ne dum yi. Yen Gakcol arach ne Gaŋarɔɔl. Gak ke kiu yele. Ak. So let us repeat it again. Gak edin ye parnyal kunachetak kakanyuch pi kugak e ichro. Gaŋarɔɔl ku Gakcol. Gaŋarɔɔl anong chit ne yet ku yeyi ku kinchol ne yenum ku yegup. Gaŋarɔɔl anong chit ne yeyet ku yeyich ku kinchol ne yenum ku yegup. Gaŋarɔɔl amandeng ne ke yeyen ben by root ku jol yamai. Yen anyar binyuj ne katnum ne ke yen kwal ne ke chitow ne yenum. Gakcol e to by ne rutuk a good che rwel e cham ne rap ne dum yich. Yen Gakcol rach na Gaŋarɔɔl. Gak ke kiu yele. Ak. Questions. Teach. Question mean teach. Gak ye par nengo nong Gaŋarɔɔl kit kadi. Nong Gaŋarɔɔl kit kadi. Diak ye gak kiu yidi. Okay, let me answer two questions. Two question here. Teach row. Nong Gaŋarɔɔl kit kade. Gaŋarɔɔl anong kit karo. Gaŋarɔɔl anong kit karo. Kin yeyet ku yeyich. Kin yeyet ku yeyich. Yet ku yich. Ku kinchol. Kinchol yenum. Yenum ku yegup. Ku yegup. This is the whole body. Gaŋarɔɔl alang kit karo. Kin ku kinchol. So that is the answer. 3. Yega kiu yidi. Yega kiu yidi. This one mean how do this bird cry or how do this bird make sound? Gak, we see it here. Gak ke kiu yila. Ak. So this is the answer. Ak. Gak e kiu ak. 1. Gak ye par nengo. Gak ye par nengo. It's like asking where this bird fly to. I think, yeah. Gak e parnyal. or efar wuk. Wuk mean this one wing. Wuk. Okay, guys. So this is Gaŋarɔɔl. This one. Gaŋarɔɔl is this one. Langkit karo kinyer kukunchol. And this one, Gakcol. Gakcol is this one. Gakcol. Gakcol. Question liberty in pinten. Non Gakcol kit kada. So Gakcol langkintok kinchol. Langkintok kinchol. Gakcol. Yeah, Gakcol. Chol mean black. So it's a black gak black crowd. Yeah. So that is it, guys. So I know this accent, Dinka accent, is a Dinka Boer accent. It will be new to you guys, and yeah, we are going to do it also. If we find such things, we can read so that we know different types, different dialogues. And Dinka, we have a lot variety of Dinka. Dinka Boer, Dinka Gar, Dinka Malwal, etc. So this Dinka Boer, yeah, Dinka Boer. Anyway, bye bye for now, guys. Please like and share. Bye bye. I'm William. Usas William. Let me write it here. Usas William. Usas William. Okay, guys. Bye bye for now. Dornyali Kawik, Kuyanya, Ugaban next lessons. If you find this one good, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. The name of our YouTube channel is called Dinka Malwal Academia. Dinka Malwal Academia. I changed the name. It was Dinka English TV5, but I changed it to be Dinka Malwal Academia. Okay? So go there in YouTube and please like the video also. Comment there. Let me know who is watching the videos in YouTube. Thank you very much. Bye bye.